Lamda Chatlaga Mahei Tamba Maheiroi Khaktana Afaba Maheiroi Natte, Punsida Afaba Maheiroi NTRAGA PAKPA MEEYOI HAIRABADI HOTNABA KANBA asi YAMNA MATHOU tai HAINA MANIPUR LEINGAKI Minority Affairs OBC AMADI SC ki Commissioner ARMSTRONG na FONGDOKHRE WAFAM asi Kangpopi District ki Mapal Lamda Chatlaga Needy Home Academy ki Kunhumdoi Suba Arts and Literary Meet ki Thoramda Haikibani. The role of Christianity and morality in education haiba theme the pangthokpa thoramaduda Armstrong Pamina Makhatana haikibada school the topper tari haidna laithokpa tawidabani Maheiroi singna khunai asida changba fit ama fanganaba hotnagadabani Honaba kandraba amadi thawai yaudrabadi mai pakpa MEEYOI ama oiba ngamloi mapanda Chatlaga Mahei Tambatana mai pakpa MEEYOI oiba nate honaba bukallabadi adumak mai pakpa ngamgani oja singasu Maheiroi singda kupthana takpi tambiba changi haiki thawramadu saru yakiba DMU gi Associate Professor Arambam Noni na hai kumja lisingani kunhumdoi gi May 3 dagi state asida irang thokpa matam adudagi school asida furuk khudimak amata leminakiba school ni Tungi Yumbure Oriba Naha Singasi talent yamna lay amaga nungshinagan kedabani Leminariba sing amadi yumno naba sing nungshinagadabani haiki Lone na classroom asi Mahei Tamba Khaktana tungda kari oigadagi haibagisu confirm ni Malim gi layriba fibam amadi awonba asi munna yengba amasu changi loina na mayai kaba chinjaktagi lapthokna laygadabani su haiki
Giving my class 10 in Tamenglong. Okay? One of the brothers here from Tamenglong will know. I have done very well in school. But you know what? When I went to Shillong at St. Edmund's College, I sat amongst 100 plus people. I did not understand what the teachers were teaching. Because all other students were better than me. Amongst them, so many Bengali students. But then I say, okay, I've got to work hard. I really studied hard. Then I did very well in my class 11 and 12. I scored 96 in maths, 95 in physics, 93 in chemistry. I thought, I have beaten all these Bengali boys, you know. I've done very well. Then when I went to Delhi, my class physics had 40 students. When the teacher started teaching, seriously, I did not understand anything. Okay?
Academy was one such example, and the principal had already talked about it. And I also want to inform you that the experience of MEEYOI Academy has been recorded. We have interviewed the students in the campus, and fortunately on May 24th and 25th I presented the experience of MEEYOI Academy. And moreover, before these days also I have been here very regularly. I was part of this Peace Day initiative which was held I think last year. And I feel that Mapal through MEEYOI Academy has a vision. It is not only a center for learning, it is also a center for de-learning a lot of things which we actually don't require in our life. My dear friends, I just want to underscore one important point for you today. Education, of course,